এইটো কমিউনিটি হোল্ডাৰ মানে যেনেকৈ আপোনালোকৰ যিহেতু এইটো কমিউনিটি অ'নাৰশ্বিপ হয় লেণ্ডটো লেণ্ড অ'নাৰশ্বিপ সেইকাৰণে এন এছ এ কমিউনিটি আমি ৰাখিছোঁ এজ এ প্লট ফৰ ইউজিং ফৰেষ্ট মেনেজমেণ্ট that can be a viable business. This plot of land we are going to use it as what? Can you use it? আমি আমার forest manage করে আপনার যেটা fire wood as a community we are using it. And we have decided that we will not use it for any commercial or personal.
মানে কথাটো আগতো ইয়াতে একো নহয় মানে এটা প্ৰব্লেম নাই যেতিয়া খান্দুলি চাইড প্ৰব্লেম হৈছিলে নহয় তাৰপিছত ইয়াৰ পৰাহে মানে প্ৰব্লেমটো আৰু এইটো আগৰ পৰা দেই মইতো ইয়াতে জন্ম এইটো ভালকৈ জানো মানে এইটো তাৰপিছতে মই ইয়াতে মানে বস্তুটো ইয়াতে আগতে ইয়াতে গাঁও নাছিলে 18 ইয়াতে তাৰপিছত পানী খোৱা কিবা কাৰণে মানে তাতে
So now, and one more thing, let us not behave like that we are too don't do this. If people from this side come to this side, that side, you should have people. See, the communities, unless you both the communities sit and talk, this matter will never get it. No matter what we do, as an administration, whatever we do, we will not bear any penalty. They have kept it as a reserve. So they are not cutting the trees. They use this and they come and they use this.
not allowed to do and your people are also not allowed to do. Because this is a reserve land, so you should understand please. That's enough.
That I explained.
That's enough.
Now the main another problem is that they said that we already contributed the ginger. And how much time does it take for? They have already
It will
contributed.
take after November, December.
November, December.
So this issue happened before, but we have already tell them not to cultivate here because this is the reserve area. But still then they don't listen and came here and cultivate. So what is the use of giving them again? No sir, we won't allow them to cultivate.
That's why we have explained na from tomorrow they will not come. They know each and everything. For that reason only they
July, of course, no.
This plot of land should be spent. Plot of land should not be cultivated. This is the only point of contact. So they are not even allowing their own people to cultivate.
Gini tahu, tahu manikar di berulah asam itu ini pilih itu ini.
Even from there, for you also good ginger, isn't it? It is a commercial product. So that is why I am telling you, kindly don't fight among yourself. We can only come here once in a blue moon and sort issues. It is up to both the communities that you should understand. Within mutual understanding, you should fix a place which can be used for cultivation only and which is barred for cultivation. If they are saying that let us not use it for cultivation, let us not use it. If tomorrow if they go to that side and if they start cultivating in your reserve, you will also feel offended.
Yes.
Are you getting my point? So wherever you have been cultivating for in past years, cultivate there. You have been cultivating alongside, isn't it? There were no issues. So why to approach in a new plot of land which is yet to be resolved by the government? Now if it is in their possession, so they will obviously have claim it, isn't it? So let us not go there. Government will sort it out in due course. Kindly stay limited to the plot of land where you have been already cultivating. Okay? Because for you livelihood is more important. If you keep fighting, police forces will be stationed here. No agriculture will happen. You will die in famine. Police force will be stationed here. Do you want this to happen?
No, sir.
No, we don't want to go.
Because it will happen, no? This will happen. Police forces will be stationed here because we are friendly. We are not. They are not part of Pakistan, or we are not part of Bangladesh. We both are part of India only. So we are friendly. I am talking to Mr. Pandu. I am talking to Mr. BDO Saab, Mr. Sangma. We all are on talking terms. So we will play. Our main concern is to maintain law and order, and for that we will place the police station police here. Your movement will be hindered. You will not be able to do cultivation purpose. So that is why I am telling. Kindly understand. Okay, please translate whatever I say.
Bentar sini tu tak pun bitung. Ini bentar ini mah. Lepas kau ni ke kampram ini kamu orang ini ni. Kami mangi kami boklet. Kili kami orang kami boklet yang sama misalnya ya. Kapten. Lepas orang peri man karbile ki imgit kerap ini. Surat ini baru pitip pile bayai piasnya tak berapa rap hi sem ketiga singet hot art ni mana yang kami bupi piasnya tak pi rap pi imja imjur pi lagi kecil ni man nak guna rap ini sangat hot terang bayai piasnya tak ni tak negeri सरकारी ram yang tak pi dang bok kulit ki asam dang bok ki Meghalaya dang bok kete ungu
Ni lah joy panbang.
Kajing sitom tu ko sahaju ni. La dalai ko sa
You can speak their language.
I know very well, sir. In Khartoum, also in Punar, also I know very well.
Sampai, tapi mencuan on. Khi kat kamu ya kan jawab on. Khi cai dai jeng. Ini dai jeng. Kerap khi kan kamu ya kan jawab. Ini sedok lah kan jawab mesti ini ya rap. Khi le ini ya rap. Betul kata bentar naga kalau belau sudah je orang klau belang.
Klau balang.
Klau belang.
Ki klau. Ki keng dak ki deng klau ijo dai.
Jauh dari sini.
Pun akan tang nak betul kepala.
Let me tell you something. See, the faith is related to this. For biodiversity is really important.
Kau kita okey em ni, dok le belau sudah je. Kau jauh dah. Kau klau belang yang prima. Kau tu sebenarnya cakap kami nong em meeting.
There's a written document between
Oh yeah. Sit together.
Kalau klaim belau sudah tu, kau ni kita tahu jauh je.
as per the what is taking there's a written document among them
Both the sides. See, do you have any other form of livelihood other than cultivation, other than agriculture? Do you have? Tell me honestly. All of you who are here, do you have any other form of livelihood? Are you very rich people? Your livelihood, yes, listen to me. If you to ensure 2-time meal, you'll have to go to the field and work. So if you keep fighting among yourself, then you will not be able to ensure 2-time food also. For you, for your children.
Okay.
If you have any other form of livelihood, then keep fighting. But you don't have.
Yes.
So agriculture is the only way of your livelihood, isn't it? To go earn money. So if there is a possible solution, then go for it. If you start fighting among yourself, just like what happened some time back, it will not bear any fruit. So the immediate solution is that it is very important for both the communities. That we are talking when we are here, when others are here.
Okay,
You
sir.
will not talk in between.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Whatever you have to say,
Oh.
tell me. Whatever you have to say, you tell him.
Okay.
Okay. And there is always a civil way of talking. Don't cross your limit. Don't cross your line.
Okay.
Please take him. Don't cross your limit.
Yes, sir.
No, my point here is listen. No issue with that. But if you start a new area, if you start approaching new area, then it might create.
This is not a new area, sir. This area is not new because from ancient times also, because both Karbi side and then from Sri side, so they work. This area is being common only. When it is common in
this particular area.
Forest officer, forest officer. Okay. First we have to see this. Who issued? Okay.
Even see the problem here is that there is no independent authority. So obviously, if it is happening, if the map is being made from the West Gentia Hills, they will produce that case, their case, isn't it? It is from our then obviously they will have. So everything is on record. So let us not go there. It is for the government to decide.
Yeah. For the government
We
to
are here
decide.
for immediate solution. Are you getting my point? Yeah, this is the boundary. So from this side, no boundary. Sir, disputed see the problem is let us not use the word disputed. Why? Because I have with me, I have the record of the boundary, mountain, everything. So here it is clearly mentioned that it belongs well within the border. So the problem, yeah. So now the problem is disputed. When you will say disputed, see, if you are to talk about the disputed land, then these are the like we can call them disputed. This is well within the boundary of Assam, so I don't think that it will come under disputed definition.
Yes, but these are out of question. Disputed is that is out of question.
Even disputed, yeah, I understand
That is out of question.
See, the problem here is that the people are also here for a very long time. They are also here from very long time. And they will let them cultivate in that land. There is no need to, there is no need to start planting in a new land which is continued. See, the problem will happen because this land doesn't belong to one single individual. The entire community, they have ownership. And they have this understanding between them that they will not use their land for any cultivation purpose, any personal or commercial purpose. It is for the community, so that in future, if the population grows, if there anything, if there is any explosion of population of some people, they have more number of children, then if there is a lack of resources, then they will proceed there. That is the
From time immemorial.
from the time this village has been established, they have not used this land for any cultivation. So the only fact right now here is that they are asking that wherever they were cultivating, alongside with them, peacefully let them cultivate. They are also happy to cultivate because this is a cultivation. So wherever they have been cultivating, let them cultivate. But they should not proceed to a new area because what will happen is actually see one or two people might have the whole of the bunch of the people that means only this side, no? Yeah. This side, left side. How big? Yeah, I want to know the side of story also.
This because this particular place commonly used.
Commonly used. Wait. Okay. And their point is basically
This particular